To fix a PlayStation controller blinking blue, first ensure the controller is properly paired with the console. If the controller is not pairing, reset the controller by inserting a pin into the small hole on the back of the controller and holding it for 5 seconds. This will reset the controller and allow it to pair with the console. Next, check the controller for any physical damage or corrosion. If the controller has been exposed to water or moisture, this could be causing the issue. Allow the controller to dry completely before attempting to use it again. If the issue persists, try updating the controller firmware. To do this, connect the controller to the PlayStation console using a USB cable and navigate to the Settings menu. Select Devices and then Accessories, and follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware. Another possible solution is to reset the controller to its default settings. To do this, go to the Settings menu on the PlayStation console, select Devices and then Accessories, and select the controller. Then, select Reset and follow the on-screen instructions. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to replace the controller. However, before doing so, try troubleshooting the issue further by using a different USB cable or trying the controller on a different console. This will help determine if the issue is with the controller or the console. In addition to these steps, it is also a good idea to regularly clean and maintain the controller to prevent issues from arising in the future. This can be done by wiping down the controller with a soft cloth and avoiding exposure to moisture or extreme temperatures. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you should be able to fix a PlayStation controller blinking blue and get back to gaming quickly and easily.